All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be kind of a short video. Didn't have much to film. I worked on one of my buddy's trucks. We did just a drop springs in the front, new shocks, and that's about it. I did most of it on a time lapse, so it only ended up being a 10-minute video. However, stay tuned to the very end. I do a little bit of a garage cleanup because I do have a OBS that's coming on the way for some air suspension stuff. So that should be on the next week's video, probably, if I don't have another video to upload before then. But yeah, that's going to be the next upload, so stay tuned, and stay tuned to the end for the garage cleanup and the announcements. So after struggling for a few minutes, I could not break this upper ball joint, which is no surprise there because the truck does have over 200,000 miles on the original suspension. So I'm going with option 2. I really don't have to put this outer tie rod on right at the moment, but I just went ahead and did it. But to make it easier, I just went and undid the upper bolts for the upper control arm and the A-frame. And the jack is right now supported with the jack, and now I'm going to just lower it down and remove the spring, throw the new drop spring in there, and that'll be it. assistance. I had my brother come and help me with the jack real quick, but this was actually a little bit easier, in my opinion, to do it this way. The only thing I'm doing differently now is instead of this bolt is supposed to come in from this way, and then the nut on this side, I just flip it around because it was easier for me to get it this way, because now the spring is in a different location. So it's harder to get the spring in from this side, or the bolt in from this side. So just opposite direction, but it'll still work the same. So pretty much done on this side. Gonna tighten everything up, throw the new shock on there, and then move on to the passenger side. So let me go ahead and wrap this up. Alright, well there we have it. She's all done. The only thing I haven't done is throw in the new rear shocks in the back, but I'm running out of daylight. Looks brighter in the phone than it is in real life, but that's not going to be nothing too interesting. It's just some drop shocks, and that's going to pretty much be a wrap for this one. So this is about as much room as we can make for it right now. The C10 is temporarily a shelf for the meantime. As I mentioned in the last video, the C10 is going to be on a temporary hold until we can get some work done, make some new funds for it. But yeah, next video is going to be probably some maintenance on the Sierra, on the daily. So I know I did mention earlier that I was gonna do the OBS next, but the OBS is gonna be dropped off tomorrow afternoon. So that one will be dropped off, but I will be doing my maintenance on my truck. So that's gonna be one of the videos. And then I have a couple more ideas for some videos coming up, but I'm pretty sure the OBS is gonna be coming up pretty quick. So stay tuned for that. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.